Hello, alright, so Shen again, and this is the third time I'll be filming this video, and my video title for today is Urban Forest. So let me start by explaining what an urban forest is. An urban forest is generally, well, a small forest. It can be rather large as well, a small, let's say a forest within a city's area. So imagine, say, Kuala Lumpur city, right in the center of Kuala Lumpur city. All the skyscrapers, concrete, inside there's one patch of area where it's all densely wooded areas. So for an urban forest, what does it help for a city? There are many benefits that come with an urban forest. Generally, it improves the air quality of the city. It helps with the city's drainage system, and also it can create a public area for people to spend their time. And lastly, it can help save energy. So let me explain how it goes. By planting trees all around in the city, the trees can absorb more carbon dioxide. This would, it would reduce the number of greenhouse gases being emitted, and this would lead to a cooler environment within the city. And also, for water drainage, during heavy rains or thunderstorms, floods can easily arise within the city due to a lot of impermeable surfaces. But these trees would have soil, and the trees will absorb a lot of this water from the soil, and it will help in reducing floods in city areas. And also, the city will save a lot of energy because of trees. The reason why is because trees provide a lot of shade. This shade can help cool the environment around the city, and probably people living in the city would not much require air conditioning because there are trees shading. And that in a city where there are trees, the ambient temperature around the surrounding of the trees can be reduced by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius. And for lastly, in an urban forest, it can provide an area for general recreation for people, a community area where people can enjoy their leisure time inside an urban forest, or you can call it a forest park. And also, another thing is that these urban cities are not that easily maintained, and there are also a lot of threats to these urban forests in a lot of places because, basically, the caring for urban forests is known as urban forestry, and this profession requires a lot of maintenance and a lot of care for these urban forests. And why it's not going out that good is because probably maintenance of the urban forest isn't so well. In a city, the pollutant level is higher, and this may affect the rate of urban forest grow, and the plants may not be in a suitable environment to grow very well. And also, bad caring of urban forests can lead to the forest not being able to be sustained, and this would instead lead to failed projects of urban forests. And lastly, in a city-like area, people may not know that what kind of plants may not survive there and what kind of plants may harm instead of the plants inside the area. And sometimes there are these other species of plants which endanger instead the other type of plant species within the urban forest, and this may affect the sustainability of urban forests. So another thing about urban forests, did you know that the largest urban forest in the world is located in Johannesburg, South Africa? Yeah, it's really huge inside the entire city. Well, basically, to sum it all up, urban forests are really good for cities. You know why? Because they provide a lot of things and a lot of benefits to the human ecology around the city area. Well, to sum it up again, the benefits: reduce energy costs, help with the sewage system, water drainage, even gives a local community area, and it helps purify the air quality. Generally, urban forest makes a city much more natural and have much more environmental area, and creating a much more natural look in the concrete jungle of a city. Okay, so that's all about my video log about urban forests, and thank you all for watching. And yeah, that's gonna be the final video log of them all. So yeah, hooray! Duh.